Unlocking the secret to a greener thumb, mastering gardening skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's particularly loved by garden enthusiasts and nature lovers: green fingers and green thumbs. Have you ever heard someone say they have a green thumb and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's explore this expression together and unlock some of the secrets behind becoming a master gardener, even in language. The phrases green fingers, more commonly used in the UK, and green thumb, the preferred term in the US, both refer to a person's natural talent for gardening. It means they have a special ability to make plants thrive, almost as if they can communicate with them. These people are often very successful in growing plants, flowers, and vegetables, making everything around them bloom with life. Have you ever wondered where these expressions come from? Green fingers originally comes from the early 20th century, suggesting that someone's fingers turn green from spending a lot of time touching plants. On the other hand, green thumb has a similar story, with one popular theory suggesting it comes from the algae that can stain a gardener's thumb green from handling flower pots. These expressions beautifully capture the essence of gardening skills and love for plant life. Understanding expressions like green fingers or green thumb is not just about adding phrases to your vocabulary. It's about connecting with a part of the English-speaking world's culture. Gardening is a beloved hobby in many English-speaking countries, and being familiar with these terms can help you better understand and engage with English speakers, their hobbies, and cultural references. While the phrase suggests a natural talent, everyone can develop their green thumb with practice and patience. Here are a few tips. Start small. Begin with easy-to-care for plants and gradually move to more demanding ones. Educate yourself. Learn about the plants you are growing and their specific needs. Observe. Pay attention to your plant's condition and learn to recognize when they need water, more sunlight, or other care. Be patient and persistent. Gardening is a skill that improves with time and experience. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the meaning and origins of having green fingers and a green thumb. Remember, language learning, much like gardening, is a journey that requires time, patience, and a bit of natural curiosity. Whether you're tending to your garden or nurturing your language skills, every bit of effort counts. Keep practicing, and who knows, maybe you'll not only develop a green thumb for gardening but also master the art of the English language. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.